Facebook, you can't use this feature right now. We limit how often you can post. Hey guys, so in this video, I'll show you step by step if you are getting message error which says you can't use this feature right now. We limit how often you can post error on your Facebook account. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem, and I'll tell you the reason why Facebook gives you this error on your Facebook account. So the step one to fix this problem is after you open up now your mobile phone like this now. Before you open the Facebook app like this, now all you have to do now, go ahead now and open up now your Facebook, your Play Store, App Store, and make sure to update your Facebook app. After you update your Facebook app like this now, go ahead now and close the Play Store. Before you open the Facebook app like this now, make sure to restart your mobile phone. So go ahead and restart your device. After you restart your mobile phone, now go back and open up the Facebook app. After you open the Facebook app now you should just go ahead now and try to make a post. If you try to make a post and still you are getting the message error which says we limit how often you can post on Facebook, so now try the second method. So the second method to fix the problem, after you open the Facebook app like this now go back and tap on this menu at the top. After you tap on the menu, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this logout button. So now you should go back and log out on your Facebook account. After you log out on your Facebook account, then before you log in again, now go back and change the connection, your internet connection. So sometimes this problem may cause because you have poor internet connection. So all you have to do now, if you are using your mobile data, go ahead and change the line, or if you are using Wi-Fi, go and change to another Wi-Fi to test it. So after you change the internet connection, now go back and log in again. After you log in again, so now you should go ahead and try to make a post. So but if you try to make a post again but still you are having the problem has not been solved. So this may be the last method that will help that will help you to like fix your problem. So to fix the problem, that's the last method. So all you have to do now, after you open up your Facebook app like this now, you should be able to stop doing three things, as you can see now. So if you tap on this menu, if you come to this menu at the top, now scroll to down, tap on this help and support, tap on this help center. So from this help center, now sometimes this page open and sometimes this page is not opening well. So as you can see now, the page is not opening for me. But even the page is not opening for me, I have a solution for you. If you go back now you should stop doing three things. So the first thing is now you should stop following people on Facebook page. You should stop liking people post. You should stop commenting, and you should stop like making the post itself for like 3 days. 3 days. Wait for 3 days. Stop liking, stop commenting, and stop sharing posts on Facebook, and stop following other people's pages on Facebook for 3 days. If you stop doing this thing for 3 days, this will help you to recover your account. And the reason why Facebook is giving you this error is because temporarily Facebook ban your account from doing all this action because you perform too many actions in a short time. Means that like you are making too many actions on your Facebook account in a short time. Maybe your Facebook account is not that big Facebook account, but you are liking many people post, and you are commenting on other people post much more in a day, and you are like accepting friend requests much more in a day, and you are sending friend requests much more in a day, you are following people much more in a day. Now you should stop doing all these actions for like 3 days to 1 week. If you stop following, stop liking, stop commenting, stop doing all these things for like 3 days, from there your Facebook account will start working well. Go and try this method. I have helped a lot of people, and they try this method and it works for them. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.